Here I have a 2007 Toyota Prius with about 300,000 kilometers. And when I got this used, one of the problems was the steering wheel control buttons. And none of these buttons would work. And with this model, you have the buttons not controlling just the phone, the radio, the sound. It also controls the air conditioning. I mean, of course, you can touch the touch screen, but it's much easier to fix this. And the solution is this particular Toyota Prius steering wheel position sensor. Once I replaced it, it became functional again. And make sure you get the steering wheel position sensor as a complete assembly. And you can see here the button is working now for the air conditioning and as well as for the radio. So this is a simple solution. You can buy a used part on eBay for about $50 or less.